I can't believe it. Right, Yoshi? Are you okay? Oh, yeah, okay. What the? Oh, God! What was that? Oh, no. Right, Yoshi? You gotta go find Pink Yoshi. Yes, I know. I'm not gonna lose her. All right, you go find her. I'll go find what's wrong with the principal, okay? No, I can do that. I'd rather die and risk my life for doing anything for my girlfriend. Oh, my God. Okay, you just go wherever you have to go. We'll just stay here and wait for rescue, okay? Okay. Oh, my God. There's dropping bodies. Oh, my God. I gotta head up. Oh, no. Come on. Principal. Oh, God. I hope the ambulances arrive soon. Oh, wait. I feel like there's a human inside. Oh my gosh. Pink Yoshi! Oh my God! Oh my God! I gotta get over to the room immediately. Body thump. Yeah. Oh God. Well, okay. What about Red Yoshi and Pink Yoshi? Pink Yoshi was probably found. Oh my God! There's still falling bodies. What the heck? Oh my God! Oh! Good news. I found her. Where was she? She was in the chair. Wait, she was really in the chair? Yeah. Well, I hope rescue arrives very soon. I hope so too. Wait, where's Mario? Mario! Oh